We're looking at the next crossing, but it doesn't look like it's been triggered, and there's nobody approaching or standing on the crossing. And we're now following the signs for the motor. Now you'll need to reduce the speed for the bus. Now you have to wait for this young lady to get in. Once she's in, then you can go. Now you can go. They're very strict on that. You know, when somebody's getting into a car, you have to stop. At the traffic lights, turn left, follow the signs for the motorway. Now we don't want to get very close to him. Why? Why don't we want to get close to him?
So, I've forgotten why, but earlier you said I'd need to give at least 3 car spaces.
Yeah. That's fine. But why him in particular?
I've really got no idea.
Go and you'll see in a few minutes when you turn left. That's fine. Slow down and stop. Stop. That's why. Now move forward. This is why you don't get close to him. Straighten up and stop. Don't go behind him. We're going to go around him when it's safe. But now do you understand why we don't get close to him in particular? It's a dustbin wagon. They stop every 2 minutes. Today's dustbin day for these people. That's why the bins are on the road. Yeah?
Yep.
That's why we don't get close to a bin wagon. We call it a bin wagon, refuge collector, whatever. When it's safe and you can see, go around him.
So would I have to like indicate there's cars coming?
Okay. So let's move a little to the right so you can see his door mirror. Make sure you can see his door mirror when you stop, because you need to be able to see past him. Now straighten up and stop. See, I don't understand why they come out so late. They should be out 5 o'clock in the morning when there's nobody out. They come out peak rush hour traffic 9 o'clock in the morning. It's just ridiculous. That's Bradford City Council. Let's follow the road ahead. And then when there's a safe gap, we're going to go around it, but you must be able to see his door mirror. Normally, a lorry will wait to let you go through. He's waiting, I think. No, he's not. Your car needs to be straight. You're not. You're like this. So your car needs to be that way, straight with his door mirror.
Oh.
Yeah? I would have thought he had more intelligence and he would have stopped there to let us go through. I genuinely thought lorry drivers are very respectable drivers. They're very intelligent as well. Now we can go past him if it's safe. Nope, he's reversing into that street. That's why one's waiting there and he's standing in road. We can go when you're ready. She's saying thank you. I don't understand why. She don't need to. They're doing their job. It's hard enough as it is. But now do you see why we need to stay away from lorries? Especially if they have the flashing lights on. That means they're about to do something. And usually lorry drivers will let you know they're about to do something by turning on the flashing lights.